Now, what is package management? So package management, this is a term used to describe how to manipulate packages in a Linux system. Package management, all right, are different operations. Package management comes with operations such as installation, modification, deletion, etc., etc. All right, great. Now, Linux distro package management utilities. Now, what this thing means is different Linux distribution, they have different utilities for managing packages, for installing packages on a Linux environment. So we're going to see all of it. Now, for Red Hat flavor, for Red Hat flavors, so when we talk about Red Hat flavors, we're talking about Amazon Linux, we're talking about Fedora, CentOS, Red Hat itself, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, Scientific Linux. Remind me, guys. Oracle Linux, etc. All of these.
Ubuntu.
No, I'm coming. It's different. I'm coming. All of these are Red Hat flavors. So all Red Hat flavors, they use a package manager called yum or RPM. Not or, yum and or and RPM. Let me bold it. Bold. Now, let's talk about Debian flavors. So Debian flavors, they use apt get. You see some apt get. You see some like dpkg. Yes, dpkg. And I think this is yeah. Both of these guys. All right. Now, for apt-get, still under Debian. For apt-get, we have Ubuntu. Ubuntu uses apt-get for package management. Then, for others like Debian, for Debian, Alpine, OpenSUSE, Well, let me check. Let me check OpenSUSE, guys. 1 second. Package manager for OpenSUSE. Let me check the kind of package manager that OpenSUSE uses. Wait, though. Okay, OpenSUSE native package manager is YAST. 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 It's one Linux distribution I've not really worked on. Okay, let me check other thing. Let me check this. YAST. Okay. It uses YAST. In the case of SUSE, OpenSUSE, SUSE Enterprise and Derivatives, Zipper and YAST are the package managers I see. While YAST yet another setup tool. So that's what it means, guys. All right. Me, I'm just learning this one now. They have not worked with OpenSUSE. Yet another setup tool is for administering, setting up, and configuring SUSE Linux. Zipper is the CLI interface of the zip app package manager. All right. So ZipPP is at the core of both Zipper and YAST. I see. All right, guys, we've learned one thing. Great. All right, let's move on. Let's forge ahead. So for OpenSUSE, for Debian, Alpine, let me bring this guys, a different guy. For OpenSUSE, for this guy, I think we have DPKG. DPKG. Let's confirm. Package manager for Debian. We have DPKG, right? DPKG is there. And let's check Alpine. APK. APK is the package manager for Alpine Linux. Thank you. So APK. So for Debian flavor, this and APK. All right, great. Now we're now splitting all the Debian flavors. For Ubuntu, we have for Ubuntu, for apt-get, we use Ubuntu. For Debian, we use DPKG. Now, for 1 second, guys. 1 second. For Debian, is DPKG. For Alpine, we use APK. Then for OpenSUSE, we use YAST, which is called yet another setup tool. We also have what? Zipper. All right, YAST and Zipper. So these are the package managers. So in this course, we will look at, now let's start with Red Hat flavor. So on Red Hat flavor, I could use yum and or RPM. I'll tell us the difference between yum and RPM. Now, what I'm running is Amazon Linux. How do I know? When you are given a Linux machine and when you are asked, or even if you're not asked, but you could be asked, and that could be in an interview. What distribution of Linux is this? How do you know the distribution of Linux? What distribution is this? There's a file under /etc That file has information about the Linux distribution. And to go to that file, I always use cat to view the content because it's a file. Cat etc. The file starts with something called release. Since I don't know the full path of the file name, I only know that that file starts with something release, or it releases somewhere. All right, I'll say asterisk. Anything that has release, and it is only that file that has release under /etc folder, I'll hit enter. Let me check something. I'm coming. Cat etc release release. 1 second, guys. 1 sec. Oh no. So it's either release. Let me check something. LSBs. Thank you. LSB. LSB. Ogbeni. LSB asterisk. Where that file dey? They come. Cat etc. Now let me find that guy. Locate. Let me use locate. Let me say update DB. Update DB is not there, so I need to install mlocate. Yum install mlocate. All right. You can see it. I'm installing mlocate now. It has been installed. Now I need to use the update DB command. Update DB. The database, the mlocate database has been updated. Now I can use locate. Locate that file. Release asterisk. Suppose this somewhere. LSB asterisk. I'm getting. Now. I'll find them, don't worry. Wait. Cats proc. Wait. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Proc. Fuck. All right, no worry, guys. Let's not waste much time. Once I get it, I will share it on our group. No wala. I'll share it on our group. Great. Now, let's start off with what? Yum. Red Hat flavors. Yum is a package resolver. When I say a package resolver, there are some packages that have dependencies. So Yum has the capacity to resolve dependency. Before, they were using what? Red Hat flavors were using what? RPM. Now, RPM stands for Red Hat Package Manager. And Yum stands for yellow dog something manager. Let's know it. Yum. Yum package manager. Yellow dog updater. Thank you. Yellow dog updater modified. Yellow dog updater modified. All right. Now, Yum came to resolve the problem of package dependency. Let me put it green. To resolve the problem of package dependencies. ROPM, let me put it on red, could and can't resolve package dependencies. So it means that any package that has dependent packages, for instance, now, let me give for instance, let me think of a package that has a dependency. Let me look for MySQL. Let me try to install MySQL. If I say RPM dash IVH, so if I want to use RPM, okay, I'll say RPM space IVH. I is to install, V is verbose, and H is for human readable. Then I'll say the package name. The package name is MariaDB dash server. There's no package like MariaDB. Let me use Asterisk. MariaDB Asterisk. File not found. MySQL server. Now let me update my repository. Yum updates. All right. So it's always better before you start using package management, all right, you update your package repository. All right. So once you run Yum update, it's going to download all the packages. Now it's telling me that last meta expiration, dependency resolve, nothing to do. Now let's try to use that RPM again. RPM dash IVH MySQL. Let me try Postgres. It's not coming. So let me use Yum and check for that package. Yum install MySQL server Asterisk. Let me check MySQL Asterisk. All right. So this MySQL S Linux. I need something. I'm coming. Yum install MariaDB. Perfect. Now let me look for that package, MariaDB server, Maria connector. Let me say this package, or let me say no. I can query all the packages that I have in my repository with RPM. So I can say RPM -Q. So -Q is going to query all the package. Waiting the happen now. No argument given for query. Query MySQL. This to check list RPM LL. Wait, let me check man RPM. I'm coming, guys. I is to install, U upgrade, Q is to query, select options, reinstall, erase, package name, all package name, selector -A. Let me check. Okay. RPM -A. Oh no. RPM query all. Okay, query all -query all. Let me check something. Man RPM. I'm supposed to see all the packages that are not installed though, but that are in my repository. Um, RPM I used to install all files, install or update all these. Something else, ignore, please erase all matches, dash all matches, all remove all this to remove. No, these are options. Query. You may specify the format that package information should be printed in. To do this, you use query formats, QF. No, query suppose to work this thing for me. Suppose to work this thing for me. No argument found. Let me look at NFS. Query. All right, let me not. Why now? I'm supposed to see all the packages. All right, but let's forge ahead. Let me take something. Let me take something from here. Let me take MariaDB server. All right. Let me try to use RPM to install this package. RPM dash IVH. This package name. Enter. No such file or directory. Now we are having this challenge because RPM does not have the power to resolve dependencies. Let me try something else. Let me try FTP. 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 I can't get FTP. Telnet. So it can't resolve these packages. It's not a package resolver. So that's why you can't use RPM. All right. Maybe it's because of I'm using cloud machine. All right. That's why I'm having these challenges. So could and cannot resolve package dependencies. All right. But with Yum, I don't need to specify the full path. Wait, guys. Wait. RPM. Let me check something. Let me show us RPM package for MySQL server. So this is what I will do. I'll download this package. Thank you. I'll download the full package. I'll go to MySQL. Let me see if I can get query lists. Wait. Query lists. RPM-QL. Query list MySQL. All right. Query list asterisk. Query asterisk. It's not there. It's not there. Where's that package? All right. So you see now, it has to be the full package name. All right. But Yum does not have to be the full package name. Let me download the package and show us something. Let me just download the package. Where is the package now? Where is packages? I need to download binary. MySQL server binaries. MySQL server binaries. So I need to show us something first so that okay, I think I could see it here. Let me look for it. Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Yes. Version 5. Let me rel 7. All right, for rel 7. Now, this is the package manager. Copy it like that's the full package name. Copy it. Copy. Come over here. Now, if I say RPM-IVH, here's the full package name. If you're using RPM, you must know the full package name. And the full package name is this .rpm. So if I try to install this guy now, failed, no such file or directory. Sorry, it's not there. So let me download. There's no link to download this guy. Wait, let me check. Copy link address. Copy link address. wget is picking something else. It's taking something else. All right. So just have it at the back of your mind that RPM cannot resolve packages. All right. Cannot resolve packages. That's why we resorted to using yum instead of RPM. All right. So with yum, I don't need all of those back and forth. All I need to do, I just say yum install MySQL. Enter. If I don't have it, I'll put asterisk. It's going to resolve it will resolve anything that has MySQL. All right. Now, I don't want to install it. I'll say no. Now, let me say I need to install yum install MariaDB. MariaDB. Enter. Put asterisk. It's going to resolve anything that has what? Maria. So that is the difference between, now you can see, installing dependencies. These are the main packages it's going to install. So why is it installing the main packages? It's also installing dependencies. These are packages that are dependent on. These guys are dependent on. These are packages that these main packages are dependent on. So that's why you always want to use what? You always want to use yum. Yeah? It's your de facto package manager. There's another package manager called DNF, but I don't use DNF. I only use yum. Yum is I'm okay with yum. All right. Now this is for what? Red Hat flavors. Yum works on Amazon Linux. It works on Fedora. It works on CentOS. It works on Red Hat Enterprise Linux, Scientific Linux, and Oracle Linux. Now let's get to what? Ubuntu. I only do Ubuntu because I only have Ubuntu. Now I'll go to my terminal, my console. Let me launch an Ubuntu machine. Let me call it Ubuntu. Okay. This is based on Ubuntu. Yes, Ubuntu. So we have OpenSUSE. Yeah. You can always try it later. Right. This you say, yes, Debian. You can see them. You try them out when you're practicing. Right. Play with them. Ubuntu. Change the version 20.04. That's okay. The key pair, take my key pair, Frank key. The network settings, Frank VPC, sub, select an existing security group, Frank SG, and that's all. Launch. So view instance. So let's check our Ubuntu instance. Here it is. Let's wait for it to come up. So let's wait for it to come up. All right, so my Ubuntu is up and running. So let's connect to my Ubuntu instance. Copy, come to your terminal, open a new tab, paste it. Yes. Yes, so this is my Ubuntu, all right? So what works here in Ubuntu is apt. So if I need to update my repository, I'll say apt get updates, all right? It's either I use apt get or I can just use only apt. So let's update our package repository. So Ubuntu is always best you update your package repository. Why? Because there are always changes. All right, everything is done. Okay, now. So Ubuntu, I can now say apt install MySQL. Add asterisk. You see? Do you want to continue? I say yes. I want to continue. If I don't want to install it, I'll say no, and it terminates. It's aborted. But if I want to continue, I'll say yes, yes, enter. So this will now install what? MySQL for me. This on Ubuntu, I'm using just apt. Okay. So let's see. SQL-server. Mm-hmm. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Pause recording. All right, this is like finished. Come up now. La la la. I declare like this now. All right, so this is done now. All right, we use what? Apt install MySQL. We could also use apt get install Apache 2. Yes. Right. Again, if I don't want to be getting that prompt of, are you sure you want to install? Yes or no. I will pass a parameter, a flag. Now let me check another flag. Let me install NFS. Apt install Postgres. Postgres. All right. Postgres. Now I don't want that system. I don't want this installation to be prompting me of yes or no. So I'll just pass the -y flag. All right. I'll press enter. It's not a package name. It's not a package name. Let me look for, let me say MariaDB. MariaDB. Let me look for something else. What else should I do? FTP. It's already installed. Let me look for telnet. Let me say telnet. Telnet. I don't want you to ask me that prompt. What should I install? Sorry, telnet is wrongly spelled. Telnet. It's already installed. Let me look for, okay, bind. Let me put asterisk. You can see I'm not being asked that question, yes or no. Because of the -y flag, it just went direct to installing what? The package. So this is how you manage packages on Ubuntu, all right? Ubuntu. So I'll be crashing this guy, power off. So that was Ubuntu, okay? And this is Red Hat flavor. So on Red Hat flavor, we will always use what? Yum. If I need to install anything, if I need to install Git, because our next class will be on Git. Sorry, our next program, our next course, I need to install Git. I'll say yum install Git. You can see it's coming up. If I try RPM UVH, capital U, please. UVH Git dash updates IVH. All right, no there. Okay, so you can see Yum is a real package resolver, right? to Git is coming. So that's how you use yum, right? And don't always forget yum updates to update your package repository, all right? Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's so far about package management. So far about what? Package management. And the last for tonight is what? Introduction to databases. So I'll be stopping this guy, stop this other recording.